this is Jenny from BOKE-Film Factory. Today I'm going to giving you some reasons why you should buy film from BOKE. BOKE products included paint protection films, windows films, and decorative films. And we also have the headlight film and color changing films. And we have the cutting polytons and software. The key to success is quality controls, around with best service. As your stable and supported suppliers, we have many advantages as following. We have advanced EDI equipment which import from USA for keeping high efficiency and quality control. Our factories have the strict QC process to ensure flawless inspections for each batch, such as inspections raw materials and the process of production. Thanks to our updated and technological innovations in the competitive market, our cutting-edge products earned high reputations in film industry. Complying to legal systems and quality standards, we got HGS certificates. Whatever you need, we can OEMs not only for the materials, packing, logos, colors, design, and techniques. We can meet all of your requirements. We will provide you the online and offline promotions, increase your marketing shares. You will be the most competitive with our solid backup. We can expand your business. Let's be partners, reinvent together. Invisible protections, intangible values add. BOKE is always with you.